In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect gas cooker. Locate the gas shut-off valve, usually near the connector point, and turn it off to stop the gas flow. If your cooker has bayonet fit-in, push and twist the hose into the gas supply outlet until it locks securely. If it has a screw fit-in, wrap PTFE gas tape around the threaded end of the extra sealing. If needed, then use a wrench to tighten the connection securely. Turn the gas back on and apply soapy water to gas leak spray around the connections. If bubbles appear, turn off the gas immediately and tighten the connections. Light one of the burners and ensure the flame is steady. If you smell gas on the flame is weak yellow, turn it off and recheck connections. If you're unsure, call a licensed gas engineer. Always ensure proper ventilation in the kitchen and never use a damaged gas hose. Replace it if needed. If you detect a strong gas smell, turn off the gas supply and call for professional help immediately. Thank you for watching and stay safe.